You make rain catch my clothes. You make rain catch my clothes.
No, no rain catch the clothes them dry.
You make rain catch my clothes.
Rain catch your clothes. You want to feel it?
Rain a tear. Rain a tear. My clothes must wet. Eh? Me and I watch the news last night.
Yeah, I watched the news last night.
What them say? Today
Rain a go fall.
Rain a go?
Fall.
Fall. Rain a go tear. Fall. Fall meaning tear. Is it? And you make my clothes wet. Mama feel one.
You want to feel one?
Mama feel one.
Feel it. The clothes dry.
Ah, that's soak. Can't use that. Can't wear that and try. Hey. Behave yourself, you know. Where me take you from?
Country life.
Country life. Where me make you live right now?
Town good life.
Town good life. You're not tired for bring bucket on your head?
I'm tired to bring bucket for me.
No. You're not tired for beard out a bathroom outside.
I'm tired to be outside bathroom.
Outside bathroom. Netflix
I'm
and
tired
chill.
of them life. Them. I love the good life me in and now.
Internet there, right?
Yeah.
Cable there.
Everything there. I love it. What me I gonna do make you happy?
And what kind of floor you walk on right now?
Concrete.
Tile, right? You're not grateful.
I'm grateful because I like you red dot them when me I walk and them each up in my toe.
That is right. And where me take you from? Don't me tell you say me to bring you to a better life?
Just bear with me now, man.
Me bring you back to our country now.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Please, you can't do that. Everything we do, you have a problem. What me I gonna do for make you happy? What me I gonna...
Me gonna bring you back to our country because you not gonna stress me. You
me
come
not
a town
stress you.
to stress me. I first country girl have stress. Town man. Country girl normally cook. Yeah, I'm hungry. You cook?
Me I gonna make your favorite dish.
Where you gonna cook?
Mackerel and rice.
Mackerel and rice and what else?
And tongue.
What kind of flavor tongue?
Orange tongue.
Make my favorite juice right now. I'm hungry. Is it?
Jubbly.
What me tell you about that language? Don't talk the language. Come now on nobody. You know say you come from country.
We can't chat no better. Me not proud, so come for
Me a France fan? Me a France fan?
No, me not proud. That's how me chat. So it's in me. I see no way in my family line.
Oh boy, you Pandorahh. Wow.
Novoo. Bro, them knocks. Every target take.
Like, share, subscribe right now. Yo, sparks pull up and them put in at the pro box. Son and up the gun in line, man, I never know back. Me and my dog, them take on the road, but oh God, I'm fully that not take program. Physically full of thousand. We like the street like a dojo.